Hi there. I'm often asked about how I go about writing. So I thought I would just make this quick video as an example of what I do. So in this case, I'm talking about doing a literature review. And for that literature review, I literally go through the likes of Google Scholar, key journals, etc., and also books and articles that I already know of. And in my case, I print them off and I like to read and highlight and make my notes in the columns as I go. I then would either type it up or actually I use DragonSpeak software, and I put it in for each different paper or book that I've used or chapter in a book. I make a separate document, and actually what I do then is I colour code that so that they all have different colours. And then I have a look through it, and either I will put it under different subheadings, or I will make a mind map of all the key information or key theories or different parts that have come out from that literature review. So the example I've got here is in the table because I then print it out again. And as you can see, for this subsection, this is about teachers' identity theory. I've got lots of different colours and lots of different bits of paper, 12 bits of paper for this one. And then I have my list. Having then gone through it, I can then see through all the different colours very quickly where the main influences of what I'm going to write about lie, and what are the key authors, things that are already talking about this. Again, in this instance, it's very, very specific about Scotland, about beginning teachers' identity. So what I then do is lay it all out and I read through it all again and have a look at the key sort of themes or sub-themes that are emerging from everything. And again, I would do the same if it was on a mind map. And then from this, I then create what it is that I am going to talk about. So I've made all my little subheadings there and I number them. And I then go back again. What I'll do is I'll go actually back through all this information, and I will also number the different bits there so I know which section it's going to fit in, and then be able to see at a glance through the using of the colours what is influencing those particular subsections and who are the key authors again for that. It sounds quite a laborious process, but it is one that certainly works for me. And then with the colours, I then can go back quite easily and look at who I need to be referencing and ensuring that my referencing is correct. I then basically amalgamate it all together, do my comparisons, and then change it in to university style to Times New Roman, 12 font, 1.5 spacing instead of Comic Sans 14 in multicolours.